Kyle here with Jetty Plumbing, and today's weekly plumbing tip is going to be how to plunge your kitchen sink, or any sink in general, but we'll work on the kitchen sink today. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill both bowls up with water. So how you know you need to plunge your sink or not is you like pull one of these out, or you'll be doing dishes and then you like pull the plug out one day and it just won't drain. You're like, righto, let's try to plunge it. And you're like, how do I do that? Here we go. So both sinks are full. First thing you need, yeah, that's right, trusty plunger. All right, so we got that. We're gonna put him in this sink. You wanna make sure that your plunger probably hasn't been used in a toilet, but you do you. Strongly recommend not. So we'll pull him, right? We'll stop the flow of the water. If it's blocked, it's not gonna drain anyways. This sink is not blocked, but we're just gonna use it as an example. Now, if you don't have a plug, you can block the other one with a rag in your hand. So you can jam that in there, block it up real good, okay? So we don't need that, we have a plug. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull that plug, turn the tap on, and we're gonna pump the plunger a whole bunch to clear the trap, all right? So, here we go. You ready? Pull the plug, turn the tap on, start plunging. Oh yeah, it's great. Look at that. Thing of beauty. Drains like a champion. Now, if you do that a whole bunch and it still doesn't drain, you probably have a blockage that's like further down. It could be a grease blockage, tree roots, broken pipe, who knows. But if it does clear, you've had a win. If it doesn't, you know what to do. Call us. Now, one other thing before I run. If this is like a vanity and you got the old classic hairball, or even sometimes it can be like a shower, you could plunge a shower the same way. The vanity will have like a little overflow. It could have like a little circle overflow here. If it does, you gotta plug that. You gotta hold like a rag on it, there, and then plunge here. Bang. And that's pretending that there's only one sink. So there's an extra little bit for you. Extra little tidbit. Anyways, hopefully you can get yourself out of some trouble. And if you can't, we can. Peace.